Hi all, very good morning. This is 12th of January 2026. Here we are again for our live Indian market analysis and trade ideas. So let's see what has been the market for us today. So last week we saw a week of consolidation where there was some sell off in the markets. So as you guys had known me and you have followed me since in the last week, whenever this day happened on Monday and also on Tuesday, we were very clear that the market has to break out the all-time highs in a fast mode or in a very decisive mode. So which didn't happen in both of the cases, either in Nifty or in Bank Nifty. That did not happen. So from there, we saw a good sell-off, which was very expected, and also we said that from 7th to 10th is the date where the trend change is expected, and we are looking for a trend to be uh, like changing. If the markets are bullish, it would have been bearish. If the market was bearish, it would have been bullish from there. So you can see from 7th, 8th, and 9th, the three trading sessions were completely on the sell-off mode. Since Monday, we can see all the 5 days, 5 candles to be in the red side, even in Nifty and in Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty is still breaking its Friday's low, but we are very much adamant now to go short in the market because now we expect the markets to bottom out and give a rally on the upside. So that is what the ideology is today for trading. So we will not touch any bank stocks or Bank Nifty right now, but let us see the other indexes. As you can see, all are in red, and if you see the major ones, the gold and the silver are rallying like anything. Silver is up 4.2%. So this is massive, guys. Again, the silver is breaking out its own high. So 84.03 was the high, 84.02 is the today's high. We are very much near to break out the all-time high in the silver. So and also in gold, we just touched upon the high and sustaining the high. We saw silver to be giving a like resistance from the all-time high, but now it is like exactly beaten, and there is a clear decisive breakout on the gold side. So we have to keep waiting. We have to uh, think of our actions. So we are seeing Vedanta to be performing, and also Hind Copper to be performing, but we see metal sector is still inside the previous day range. So that is one thing. No stocks in IT, no in energy. Banks are flat. Pharma is losing its power. Auto sector is falling. Only M&M, it is also weak. DMart is rallying. So the now another wall for Bank Nifty to break on the downside will be 59,000. So it is a psychologically round number. So that should be protected by the bulls, or else the market wouldn't hesitate to give up and fall. So VIX is up 6% today. The fear index, the fear in people are increasing more, and also it means there is net buying of options happening by total number of sell orders versus the total number of buy orders. There are more number of buy orders being placed, so that is also one thing the why the VIX shoots up. And you see HDFC Life. No interesting stock or interesting movement, guys. We are seeing the markets to be dull. Only the metals, due to the gold and silver, they are kind of trying to move on the upside. Other than that, there are no stocks which are currently performing. So MCX, we are seeing CX, UPL. No, whenever the sentiment itself is low in the markets, We don't see any stocks to be performing, guys. Let's wait. If we see any opportunity around another 5 to 10 or 15 minutes, we will try to encash that, or else we'll just be closing our day in trading Indian markets, because this is dull market, and we don't want to beat around it. We don't want to expect the markets to become bullish just because we need a trade. So the markets are not in a healthy mood, or they are not happy, or they are waiting for some trigger to get activated. So let's see, guys. I'll just be on mute. If there is any news, or if there is anything that is important necessary, let us see. I expect the bank nifty to hold off to its level of 59,000, and nifty should hold the level of 25,000 or 25,550. So let's see, guys. Let's wait. I'll just be on mute. Yeah, guys, we are seeing Bank Nifty to be holding the level of 59,000, but I also feel that there might be a small liquidity sweep, or there might be a small false breakdown of the levels, and the market might try to touch 58,900, and from there we might expect a bullish view from there. So until that, no trades will be initiated around our levels. What we have said just now, let me just mark it. So 15 8,920 to 58,860. That is where I'm expecting the markets to bottom out and turn on the upside. Uh, but Nifty seems to be little weaker. Uh, it might fall till 25,500 to 25,450. So that is my expectation. Currently, that doesn't mean that the markets are higher and it will fall, and we shouldn't be buying any sell or put trades. That is one thing to keep in mind. VIX is up 8%, guys. This is massive. And in recent times, we haven't seen VIX to be performing like this. On 1st January itself, the VIX has bottomed out, and from 1st January, we almost started to see the fall in the Nifty. So there was one astrological event as well to point out the date for the Monday, to tell out that the markets will be bearish from there. Yet nobody wants to believe astrology or something. Yeah, that's why we don't discuss any things related to astrology or astrological readings for the financial markets. So it's okay. When time comes, we will do that as well. So until then, we will just look and master the price actions. So we are seeing markets to be currently in oversold zone, and we saw metal sector, we saw Vedanta, that is also falling. Hindalco is falling. Hindustan Zinc seems to be holding off the level, but no good candle patterns forming. So it's overall a negative day, guys. We can't expect much of things happening today in the Indian market. Uh, we will parallelly see gold, and I'll tell you my view on gold as well. So if somebody is a forex trader, can try out this as well. So currently we saw markets to be taking off their all-time high around 45 550 45 40 levels. uh, so then they made high till 4600. From there, if I try to check the retracements level, so the retracement levels are to be 6561. I think the market has made out its bottom around that level, and 4581 level, the level which I am marking currently, will be important. And the market 50%. Yeah, so I'll just delete this. So this will be our reference range for upcoming trade. We saw a huge upside action rally. Now this will be the reaction rally. So somebody who wants to short, somebody who wants to take out the profit, or just taking out the profit, or some reactions are happening due to this upside action. So let's see if we get good proper closings above the level marked. So inside this zone, inside this 300 pip range, we don't have any trades. We don't expect any trades also. So the seller or the buyer has to move out. Then only fresh trades will be actually be initiating. So that is up with gold and silver. Silver, now 5-minute chart. Yeah, silver is holding off the upper levels. It is good, and the level of 84 should be broken out, or 82.3 level should be broken out. Until that, no trades. It's just in the sideways territory. Now the bank nifty is looking good, guys. Now we want to see who is actually giving the push to bank nifty. So this was SBI, and we have HDFC is in flat mode. Axis is moving up. Kotak Bank is also good. ICICI Bank will not perform because it has done its part in the last 6 to 7 trading sessions. Now it might be gone into a sideways zone. The most important will be SBI. We feel that the SBI will bottom out, and I think today SBI also has the narrow CPR. Yeah, I'm just adding an alert for SBI. There is good pattern forming in bank nifty, but not sufficient yet. We want that to happen over a 15-minute candle. So let's watch the 15-minute candle and then conclude. I'll be on mute, guys. No much things to update. Yeah, guys, as we just said, the markets will turn on the upside. Yeah, markets happen likewise, and the same thing repeated here. So, from our level, only just 30 point away, and the Nifty turned, and from our level, only around 70 points, and the Bank Nifty turned. So let's see if they want to move higher, they will give us price actions. So now we are in a lower low, lower high pattern. Next, it has to convert into higher high and higher low patterns. So if that is the case, we'll be initiating the trades. Other than that, there are no much good trades happening around, as we just saw the trades and the stocks. So keep watching SBI on a close note. So Bank Nifty's move today will depend on SBI's move. So 1007 level will be very important for SBI to cross. So other than that, there is nothing, guys. If you want to know anything, just you can directly personally message me, and we can connect. Thank you, guys. That's it for the day.